Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 14 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 14, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, this line is going to start to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way, yet highly effective to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 14 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance headed into Wednesday? In terms of where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. 15 cents was definitely the stubborn area. The price got right up around 15 cents on multiple occasions and can never quite push through it. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never break through 15. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above 15, but stay up above it. In the event the price, actually that makes even more sense. So you look back here and you can see 15 acted as resistance and 15. So definitely there's quite the track record here of 15 acting as resistance. Again, not saying it's impossible to break through it, but just makes more sense why that's the case right now. If the price, like I said, can break through 15, next key level right up there, well, that makes it easy, right up there at about 16 cents. So 15 going to be that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then 16. And after 16, things start to space out quite a bit. However, one hurdle at a time. So let's first see if the price can get up above 15 cents, and then we'll take it from there. But all in all, no doubt about it, very powerful move today. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.